What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
This one or this one? I like the blue. Yeah, the notebook. Hey guys, what's going on?
Ooh,
We're
what's going
at
on?
Staples.
We're here to get some back to school supplies, and guess what? The floor may be lava when we're in there.
Oh,
floor
is
lava.
The floor is
Lava.
We're picking up a backpack, pens, pencils, pencil case, lunchbox, and a back to school outfit.
Floor's lava. I will survive the apocalypse. We're starting at the back so we don't get kicked out. The backpacks are in the front. I'm saying we save the backpack for last. Floor's lava.
This is what I want for Christmas. If you guys can remember, it's a mobile labeler. Look how easily she is labeling. Look at this. See how easily? Look how happy she is doing labeling.
I want the dolphin. Something happened. Are you okay?
Should we get the dolphin one?
You can pretend that under the suit there's a dolphin in there.
Oh, he's just wearing a Hawaiian shirt on the inside.
This is what I put on the outside of my locker so no one goes in there. Toxic waste.
Comment down below. Is this blue or green?
Oh look! It's me!
Oh, that looks just like you. The floor is lava.
Saying hey to the security guard, he's my best friend. We've got the lunchbox and the pencil case. We also need pens,
And
pencils, a backpack, and a back to school outfit.
I hate it. Stop.
But it's, I don't even know what flavor this is. You guys smell it? It's butterscotch.
Yeah.
Are this pens?
Yeah.
Are this pens?
Are this pens?
That's why we're going back to school, guys.
Nice. Look thin. Wow, there's so much pressure for pens to be thin this big.
That's so true.
And
There's
pens
so
can
many
be any
thick
size
pen
they
shapes.
want. Yourself. Floor's lava. I'm a fan of dolphins. What you up to? I'm just chilling, Holmes. I'm finally where I belong. The trash.
What took you so long?
Looks like you're pooping in the trash can.
I am, Dolphin.
Are you pooping in the trash can?
Don't say it out loud. I don't want to put labels on things, but I find you very cute.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
This one or this one? I like the blue. Yeah, the notebook.
What do you think? What do you think?
This one. I think it's cool. How about this one? It's loud.
I know, my friends are leaving, so I have to go. I know, that's like our thing. I'm so sorry. Woo! I'll write you. I'll put it on your wall. I'm sorry. You're so inspirational.
All right, we got everything we need. Backpack, this, that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We survived the lava, mostly.
We hope all of you got your school supplies and didn't get burned up by the lava. And throw a comment below.
Floor is lava? I made it out. Made it out. You do what you gotta do. Survival of the fittest. And I do not exercise.